wants to say. The night wants to say, stay with me today. I know you're sprinting fast, but let's talk about life. That's not gonna last. You are troubled, I know. You are trying too hard, but let me be your listener. I know it would be hard to tell what's on your mind. I know you feel disowned, the feeling you own. I know you want to be free, and I promise you will feel free. Just share with me the thoughts that are killing your peace. You're fighting to survive, you're gasping for air. You are lost in a field that no longer seems sweet, but don't you worry, I'll squeeze you tight till you feel the need, till you feel yourself again. I know you're sprinting fast, but let's talk about life. That's not gonna last.